Hi, my name is Raymond Gia. I'm the Vice President of Operations for Pipe Restoration Incorporated. Most of our clients come to us because they've had pinhole leaks or slab leaks. We are a permanent solution and an alternative to repiping.
The homes in this community were built in 1989 through 1991. And over the last 10 or 12 years, we've gotten progressively more leaks in the community, starting as slab leaks and more recently as pinhole pipe leaks.
We've had 4 major slab leaks, including holes in the ceilings and jackhammered up floors. It was pretty discouraging for a while.
Over the past 2 years, the leaks have gotten to the point that we've spent somewhere in the neighborhood of $200,000 to $250,000 a year to repair the pipe, remediate the water damage, and put the drywall back in place.
Their costs were astronomical, and they've seen them decrease as we complete homes. And when we're complete, at the end of September, they'll be done. No more leaks.
A couple of months ago, we were giving notice that ePIPE was coming in. They were going to do this epoxy coating in the pipes.
We can come in the morning, and usually by 4 to 5 o'clock, we have water back on to a residence.
The thing that made it easiest to convince homeowners that this was the right way to handle the project was the fact that it disrupted their life for just one day. They come in early in the morning at 8 o'clock and start the process, and by 5 in the afternoon, the homeowner has their water back on.
Our epoxy cures in 2 hours, which is the fastest return to service product available.
One of the things that's really nice about the epoxy process is that they do not have to cut holes in the drywall to do their process. They're able to inject the epoxy through the shutoff valves under the sinks in the various rooms within the home. If they were cutting drywall, this process would drag from 1 day into 4 or 5.
Instead of having to tear walls and ceilings open to replace piping, we can restore the piping that is in place already without having to do all that destruction. We are the only company that has approval to apply our epoxy on both metallic and non-metallic piping. Besides pinhole leaks, slab leaks, our product will help with lead leaching in our potable water system.
We do hospitals, we do schools, we do naval ships, we've done offshore oil rigs, the Anthropology Museum in Mexico City, all over. Nothing's too small or nothing's too large for us to accomplish.
Come check us out at our website, restoremypipes.com. Give us a call. I hope to hear from you soon.